This is Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It doesn't look a whole lot different from the last one, but there are significant differences. They've cut down the bezels on the outside screen right here. They've increased the brightness of the main screen right here up to 3000 nits. No change on the camera since the last Fold. There's a 48 megapixel main camera, 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto, 10.5 megapixel ultra wide, and also a couple of 10 megapixel selfie cameras. It's still 5.2 millimeters thick, which is quite thin. And really important here is that they've re-engineered the hinge. This may be the only Fold in existence that is IP68 rated. That means water and dust. Comes in a lot of beautiful colors, of course. This one, I believe, is some sort of mint. Now, inside is a 5015 milliamp hour battery, which should give you all-day battery life, and it is now powered by the Tensor G5 chip, which is going to have Gemini Nano on board, and of course you've got Gemini Live built into this system. Plus, for people who are buying this phone, they're going to get Gemini Pro for a full year. More powerful than ever. You can certainly do more with your Gemini on your Pixel phone, and Gemini Live is built for the full screen. There are cool features in the camera where as you take pictures, you get previews on the fly. And also you're going to have something called Camera Coach. Now this is a big deal because it's going to help you take better photos on the fly. Not live on this yet, but will be soon. Now the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is also Qi 2. So that means you're going to have faster wireless charging. And maybe most exciting of all, you've got something called Pixel Snap. Pixel Snap is obviously a magnetic system on the back. It's going to work with Qi 2 systems, but also going to work with accessories like this. Very big deal. And if you're wondering, it does work with third-party devices from other companies. It's not a massive upgrade, but this hinge is really nice, really smooth, and they've kept the price the same. It's $17.99. It's pre-order August 20th and on sale October 9th. Kind of exciting. Stay tuned. Stick with TechRadar.com for the full review.